Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can upload and share files on Google Drive. If you see it helpful, like it, leave a comment and subscribe. First, tap this logo and log into your right Google account. After logging to your Gmail account, tap these dots. Here we have Drive. You can search it from here if you don't find here. Tap the Drive. Great. You see here I have my files and my folders. For example, I want to create a new folder. From here you can create a folder, new, tap this one, create a folder. For example, new folder. Name it my files, for example. Create. This is the folder I've just created. Double click on it. You see there is nothing. To upload some files to this folder, just from new, file upload. For example, I upload this one and this one. Okay, just open. We just have to wait to upload the two files. Okay, green tick, it means it's uploaded. To share the files, just click the name of the folder, share. Okay, first, don't forget to change this restricted to anyone with the link. Great. From here you can add emails. For example, this one, another one, for example, this one, and so on. Just send directly, you send the files. Okay, or just copy this link. Now the link is copied. You can send it by WhatsApp, Messenger, or any social media app. That's the way to upload, create folder, and share with others. Have a nice time.